What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the voicemail notifications not working issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings tap on sound and vibration. Now here scroll down and tap on do not disturb, and then in do not disturb here you will see a do not disturb button on the top. So if this button is turned off, then you will not be able to receive any reminder for incoming call or notification. So to fix the voicemail notifications not working issue, turn off do not disturb. Now after turning off do not disturb, the notifications will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, it will help you to fix the voicemail notifications not working issue. So that's how you can fix the voicemail notifications not working in your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.